welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing 4 crockpot recipes with y'all. I'm excited about these. I just love crockpot recipes. They're just super simple, especially for a working mom like me. But I just want to share with y'all really quick. So this is where I keep all my recipes. It's just a binder I picked up at Walmart. And as you can see, I print out recipes and I put them right here because I like to separate them. I have these separated by categories. I have a keto category, a slow cooker category, then kid-friendly meals and just regular meals. I like the way it's separated so far, but I might change this up a little bit. But what I also like to do is print out the recipe and put this in a sheet protector. And that's pretty much how I have them. Like for example, this is my slow cooker section. So all these are slow cooker recipes. And that's what I like to do. I'd rather have them in the sheet protector. I just feel like it's just easier, and I feel like I go to this more than if it's just sheets like this. I don't know. I'm weird, I guess. But yes, I have it all separated into, I think this section is kids section because I see Taco Pizza right here. But that's pretty much how I have it. I might change this up a little bit. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, and I can go into detail with this in another video if y'all want to see it, but this is pretty much where I get everything from. And then in the video, each individual recipe I did get from here, except the last one. I don't have a printout on that one, but I will link the website down below, and I will also link the website where I got these, even though in the video I will show you the sheet like this. And then I will also link the website down below, and then it also has a website at the bottom as well. But I just want to let y'all know first. So the first 3 recipes, this was my first time doing this type of video like this. I will be better prepared next time, I promise. But I just want to let you know really quick, Thanksgiving Day, after we had our feast and meal, my husband and I did like our Black Friday shopping, and I found a tripod at Best Buy, and it's a much taller tripod. So the last recipe on this video, I actually made yesterday, and the tripod is so tall that I can actually angle and you can actually see inside the crock pot, so that worked out really well. The first 3 recipes, the tripod is semi-tall. You can still see, but I still talk and let you know what I am doing. But I promise that in my future crockpot videos or cook with me videos, it will be much better. So just bear with me, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of different videos. I wanted to put this video out just because, I don't know, I felt like it's, for some reason, fall, winter, Christmas, holiday time, I feel like it's crockpot meal stuff. I don't know. But I do a lot of different things like DIYs and clean with me videos, and the majority of everything I've been doing now, it's like Christmas DIYs because we are in Christmas time. So I do have another one of those videos coming out as well. And then decorating our tree. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it in this video behind us. We went and got one Saturday, and we're gonna decorate it probably tonight. So, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, for the first recipe, we'll be making broccoli and cheese soup, and these are all the ingredients that you will need. Now, as far as the seasoning, like salt and pepper, you guys can do whatever you like. I like adding garlic, lots of garlic. I use fresh garlic, and I also use powdered garlic. I just love garlic. But as far as seasoning, you can just do whatever you want. You can follow the recipe exactly. I show you the recipe, but I don't always follow it exactly how it is. I like to add a few of my own things to it.
Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me.
Alright guys, I really loved how this soup turned out. I think next time I might lessen the liquid portion of it just because we wanted it a bit creamier. It was a little bit too soupy, I guess. We just wanted it to be a bit creamier. But of course, there are no potatoes in this because this is a keto low carb recipe, but it still was pretty good. Oh, and I also added bacon bits to it. Alright guys, on to the next one. This one is spaghetti squash. Oh my gosh, I have never done this before, and this one was my favorite. I did not know that you can stick a squash into the crock pot, just like I found out that I can do potatoes in the crock pot, but that's a different story. But this one was super simple. You just poke holes in the squash, put it in the crock pot on high for about 3. It depends on your crock pot. I did mine for about 3.5 hours, but like I said, it depends on how fast your crock pot is. So after you're done, what I'm doing here, so I don't know another way to do this because like I said, this was my first time. So, but don't do what I did. Wait for this to cool. I guess I just don't have any patience. But I am just removing all the seeds carefully. I'm trying not to remove too much of the squash. But that's all I did. Just remove the seeds, and then I went ahead and scooped out the squash and put it back into the crock pot. Now, like I said, I don't have any other way of doing it or like an easier way just because this was my first time. But also, like I said, wait for it to cool because it was super hot and I could not pick it up. It was just burning my fingers the whole time.
Looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
Once you scoop everything into the crock pot, then you can go ahead and obviously add everything else that it calls for, but you can also season it however you like. And this is where you guys can add what you want or how you want it to taste. But everything else I did follow exactly what it said. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm telling you, this is really good. And another thing that you want to do, I think I show this right there. Perfect. You want to go ahead and make sure you like kind of peel it apart. I just took 2 forks and it's kind of like you're shredding it. Oh, and there is my husband showing me things on his phone while I am trying to make dinner. And then I went ahead and chopped up some garlic. I added a little bit more garlic than what the recipe called for just because I just love garlic. I love garlic in my food.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling.
It's amazing what guys find super funny.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear.
Guys, this might not look appealing to the eye, but this was delicious. I just enjoyed it. My husband loved it. My kids, they're kids. My son, I think he enjoyed it, but my stepkids, I don't think they did so much. Alright guys, so for this one, you can either put the chicken in the crock pot raw, or you can boil the chicken and shred it yourself and put it in the crock pot. I decided to go that route. I had already boiled the chicken, I shredded it, and then I stuck a block of cream cheese in there, and then I went ahead and added all the ingredients. I added some bacon, some chives, some cilantro, of course, garlic powder, and also some fresh garlic. And then I just seasoned it however I wanted. Like I said, I posted the recipe, but y'all can add whatever you like to this. And then at the end, I did not add the cheese, the shredded cheese in the crock pot. We kind of just added it on as we ate.
We came to party all
Alright guys, this next one is delicious. It is a Tuscan, well, it's a creamy Tuscan chicken. Oh my gosh, this was so good. So I don't have a actual printed recipe. I got this off of Pinterest. I will link the website down below, but you guys, this one tastes really good. I actually made this today. Yes, I filmed it today. I have to be at work today, so I decided to put this in the crock pot for my husband so when he gets home he can feed the kids. Very easy. They will be having this with pasta. If I was home, I would just have it just by itself, or probably some zucchini noodles. But you guys, I did taste this because obviously I have to taste it, and it was delicious. The only thing that I would do different is add less of the red pepper flakes, only because I'm not a fan of hot spicy foods. And then I did not like the fact that I went and got those jars of Alfredo just because they have more sugar and more carbs. I sometimes will normally make my own Alfredo sauce because my husband likes the way I make it. He does not like the store-bought. But if, like today, I was in a hurry because I had to be at work, so I went and got those. But I would have loved to have grabbed, but they did not have it. I do get that brand. I think it's pronounced Rao's. It's RAO because they have less sugar and less carbs. But guys, this recipe was so good. I will not show you a plated image, but I will show you in the crock pot, because the last 5 minutes before you serve it, you have to add the spinach to it. And oh my gosh, you guys, look how good that looks. It tastes so good. Alright guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.